guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my weekend haul. We're gonna just call it a weekend haul. And so if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button and support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never ever miss out. So listen, y'all, Ibotta did me dirty, and your girl's in her feelings, in my feelings. All right, 15 offers for $1. That's how you treat me, Ibotta? I thought I was the homie. Apparently I'm not. And so I was like, Ibotta, y'all play too freaking much. You play too much. That's what I wanted to say. But yeah, so I was like, no, we're gonna have to sit this one out. We're gonna have to just sit this one out, because Ibotta, we needed to show them who's in charge. But we're still gonna probably hit it anyway, so yeah. Let me fix my camera. So yeah, but yeah, so I'm probably gonna hit it anyways. Now the larger bonus for that one, we still have that. I ain't gonna hit it today. It ain't gonna happen today. So hopefully I can hit it in my next haul for sure. Hopefully. I know a lot of y'all said y'all hit y'all. I'm so freaking jealous. I'm so freaking jealous right now. Like, I just want to be done with it. I just want to be done. Like, done. I will be doing a little bit of CVS. No in store though. So I'll probably put together a little breakdown. Show you what I did. I have a 10 off of 25. Well, hell, we all did. We all got that. CRT that I want to use. And so I'm going to put together a transaction based on what I have in my store, because my stores didn't have a lot. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I didn't get around to doing it until like probably Thursday, to be honest. I will be sharing a little bit of Sprouts too, y'all. I'm actually starting to really like Sprouts. So I do have 5 or 6 deals to share from there. There are some digitals that are gonna make for some pretty awesome deals. Of course, we have some aisles as well. Other than that, you guys, real quick, thank you guys so much for all of your well wishes, all of your prayers for my dad. You know, I mentioned yesterday he had surgery and he came home yesterday. So he's at home recovering. He's feeling better, but he's still in a lot of pain. So I just want to thank you guys so much though for your prayers and your well wishes for him. And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. We'll also be heading to Sprouts as well. So if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to grab is a freebie. It's on the Ouroboros. It has to be the raspberry vanilla. It is $1.50. And then there's $1.50 digital on the Sprouts app, making it absolutely free. This next deal is on the LK jerky stick. These are priced at $3, and we have $1.50 digital on the app. You'll pay $1.50 and get back a $3 We Stock offer. I'll have a link for you in the description, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. Now, I've had this offer on aisles forever. It's a free when you buy it, you get it free. So they're priced at $9.99, and you're gonna get that back, making this absolutely free. I found it. It's the mush. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's the overnight oats. There's a free offer through the app. So which one do I want to try? I do not know. Universe, which one should I choose? Let's do this one right here for free. Look at these fat gummy worms, y'all. All this candy looks so good. I just want to eat it all of it. But anyway, so listen, this is the last deal. It's on the silk almond milk, priced at $3.50. We have $1.50 digital on the app. You'll pay $2 and get back $2 on Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So this first deal is on the St. James tea. It's priced at $2.48. I don't see it up here, although it should be like right here. So I'll probably have to try a different store. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $4.96. You'll get back the price of one of them through aisles, and then you'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, making them only 24 cents. Next up is the Victor Allen coffee drinks. They're priced at $2.98. Now the offer for Fetch Reward for me is now 50 cents. So we'll grab one, getting back $1.75 on Ibotta, and then 50 cents on Fetch. I'm not sure if I still have offers for 50 cents left on the sister apps. But without that, it makes it 73 cents. All right, so next up is the Pleasy. They are priced at $3.97, and for this, we're gonna grab one of them. We'll get that back to Social Nature, and then there's also $1 back on Ibotta, making this a $1 moneymaker. And of course, we're grabbing the Gatorade water again, priced at $1.98. Oh no, you're good, you're good. And of course, we're grabbing the Gatorade water again, priced at $1.98. I've been using the 75-cent coupon. This is literally my last one. So you'll use this, scans perfectly fine. You end up paying $1.24 and then getting back $1 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 24 cents. And I went ahead and grabbed 4 again. All right. And of course, we're doing the Kellogg cups again. They're priced at $1. You'll grab 2 of them. You'll pay 2, getting back $1.50 on checkout 51. Some only 25 cents each. Okay. Next up is the Kinders. If you can't find these, you guys, they have this little, cart of sorts that has assorted like travel size, throw it in your purse type of situation. And so it's on the Kinders, priced at $1. Now, I don't think that this offer is available anymore. Now, actually, a lot of you guys said you didn't have it on checkout 51. Ooh, they have the little ones like this too. I think we have an offer for, I think we have an aisles offer for $1. I wonder if it would work on these. It would make it free. So the Kinders are priced at $1. You're going to grab one of them. You'll get that back through checkout 51. Make it absolutely free. Limit is 5. So I went ahead and grabbed 5 on 2 separate transactions for each of their accounts, making them absolutely free. So they have this offer here for $1 off the Melinda's hot sauce. That's ketchup. I guess that wouldn't work. It's on the hot sauce. So I'm going to try to, oh, here goes one right here. It would make it, hopefully, I'm going to see if it's going to work, y'all. I'll let y'all know. But you'll grab it for $1. You'll get that back through aisles, making this absolutely free. I'm going to go ahead and try it and see if it works. So next up is the Persil on the Ultra Packs. They're priced at $4.77. It's funny because this store here was the only store that carried the packs. And now the other stores carry it, but it's not $4.77. It's $5.22. It's the same price as the smaller bottles. So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab one of them. I have a $2 coupon, which is right here. I ended up paying, what is that? $2.77, getting back $1 on Ibotta. Now I do have an offer on Fetch Reward that's a spend 25, and I need to grab 3 more to get back the $2 there. So I grab a total of 3 of these. After coupons, we'll pay $8.31, and then we're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta, and then we'll get back $2 on Fetch, making it $3.31. For all 3 of them are only like only $1.10 each. Okay, I was gonna grab the Clean Cold. They don't carry it here. It's the sheets. They're priced at $13.98. There's a $7 aisles offer and $5 back on Ibotta, so it makes it 98 cents. If you have them in your area. All right, so this next deal is on the Dickinson's Witch Hazel, priced at $4.94. We have a BOGO offer on Ibotta, so you want to grab 2 of them. There are $2 peelies that you can use as well. It'll bring the total down to you paying $5.88, getting back $4.94 on Ibotta, making them only 47 cents each. All right, so I hope y'all did this deal. I feel like we've been talking about it for a minute, but it's on the Colgate toothbrushes. These are the ones for $1. And we did have a Shopkick offer that made it an awesome moneymaker. But it's still a really, really awesome moneymaker even without Shopkick. Shopkick offer died real quick. So for this, you want to grab a medium one. You'll grab 2 of them. You'll grab 4 of them. You'll pay 4 and get back $7 through either Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. I, of course, did it across the board. You can grab 4 per receipt, making every set of 4 a $3 moneymaker. So I went ahead and grabbed it on Swagbucks, Inbox, and Tada. And so, yeah. All right. So as far as CVS, I had to go and try to do something with that CRT. It's 10 off of 25. So this is what I came up with based on what my store had in stock. The Crest and the Colgate are both $3.99, and the Crest is buy 2 get back 4. Colgate is buy 2 get back 3. We have digitals, 4 off 2 on Colgate, 3 off 2 on the Crest. And then the Nivea is $4.99, getting back 3. The Venus was $6.99, $3 digital, getting back 3. And so the total before CRTs and digitals for this transaction was $27.94. after coupons and digitals and CRTs, we paid $7.94, got back a total of 13 extra care bucks, making this a $5.06 moneymaker. Now, this transaction was pretty much the same with the exception of the Nivea because this store didn't have any. So I was only like $2 away from hitting the $25 mark to use a 10 off of 25. So I grabbed that CVS brand type body wash for $2.99. So the total before coupons was $25.94. Afterwards, we paid a total of $5.94 out of pocket, got back 10, which made this a $4.06 moneymaker, which is definitely not a bad deal. And of course, I had to try the Purcell deal. They are priced at $6.99, and it's buy two, get back 5. I did use 2 of the hang tags that I found at Target. So I paid $9.98. I got back $5 in extra care bucks, plus I got back $1.50 for each on Ibotta, bringing these down to only 99 cents each. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I was happy to make it over to CVS because the 10 off of 25 is making for some really awesome deals. Again, my store didn't have a whole lot since I didn't go until like Thursday. And then I went again today, which is Friday. So, but I was able to make it work out to be a pretty good deal. Hopefully, I've already included the breakdowns on the deals I did at CVS. I didn't mention the CoverGirl and the Neutrogena. I found those on clearance. I did mention it in my last video though. CoverGirl was $1, got back 2 on ShopMe, is still pending. Neutrogena was $1, got back $4 on Ibotta. I was really hoping that it was going to reset, but one of you guys said that offer doesn't reset. So I was just like, oh, that'd have been an awesome moneymaker. And so other than that, what else? Oh, this meat stick. So I had some offers on Ibotta for meat sticks. It wasn't that particular brand, but because the receipt just said meat stick, I thought there was a chance I could probably get an extra offer on Ibotta. So I did get back an extra 50 cents. So it made that one a $2 moneymaker. And then I had a 20 cents any receipt as well, which I haven't had one of those in a long time. And so other than that, what else? You see 6 of the Frosted Flakes because I did 2. I did a set on Wednesday, the day before it reset. And then I did 2 sets. Well, I set yesterday and a set today. So that's why you see 6 of those. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it. Like, I have a lot of receipts. It looks so thick because of CVS, though. I did 3 transactions at CVS. But yeah, everything worked out. Coupons scanned perfectly fine on the Purcell. The ones at CVS scanned perfectly fine. The 75-cent Gatorades, those scanned perfectly fine as well. All my digitals and CRTs and stuff worked fine at CVS. And so other than that, let's make this quick. All right, so everything you see here retails $154.93. We had $63.50 in coupons, CRTs, or digitals. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $91.43. Our sales tax was $8.58. And then we walk away with $28 in extra care bucks, $23.72 from Ibotta, $15.50 from Checkout 51, $10.99 from Aisles, $7 from Swagbucks, Inbox, and Tada, $3.97 from Social Nature, $3 from WeStock, $2 from Fetch Rewards, and last but not least, $2 for ShopMe, which is pending. All right. So we walk away with a total of $110.18 back in rebates and extra care bucks, making everything you see here free plus an $18.75 moneymaker, which is really, really, really cool. And so other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got to the end of the video, I really appreciate you. And if you get to the end of the video, we want to see an eye emoji in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.